If you are someone who is looking to become a mutual fund distributor, if you are someone who are looking to expand their business with little or no investment, if you are someone who is looking to help their clients to secure their financial future, then you should watch this video. Hello friends, I am Shobhit. I am a FinBiz growth expert and a founder of FinBiz Growth Club with a mission to help 1 lakh insurance advisor to expand their business into mutual fund distribution. And today I am going to tell you what are the 3 easy steps through which you can become a mutual fund distributor and start your business in 21 days or less. So to become a mutual fund advisor, just like any other financial product distribution, first you need to know the various nuances and regulations of the industry. And this industry, which is called mutual fund, is regulated by SEBI. So SEBI has stipulated that if you want to become a mutual fund advisor, then first you need to pass an exam which is called NISM 5A. This is a mutual fund distribution module which you need to first clear it, then only you will be eligible to distribute mutual fund products to your clients. So first you need to get registered on the NISM website. Now, before diving into the details of what you need to do at that website, first let me tell you what is NISM. NISM is a National Institute of Securities Market. It is a subsidiary of SEBI. So all the certifications which are required in the financial industry, most of them are getting done by NISM. So first what you need to do, let me take you to the website so that you get an insight. First what you need to do is you need to go to the website which is called NISM, and there you need to first create your profile. You can see here new account. So once you create your profile, then you will be able to get a slot or book a slot for the exam. So while creating a profile, what we mean? We mean that you need to update and upload your PAN number, your address proof, and also submit all your educational and work experience. So once you do that, your profile is going to be validated by NISM, then you will be able to book an exam slot. Now here is the good part. In this pandemic, when everybody is looking for an opportunity to grow their business or to get a new revenue source, this profession is totally online. From giving your exam to getting your code, everything is totally online. So once you have created your profile on NISM, you can book your exam slot and the exam can be given from the comfort of your home. If you have a laptop, you have a microphone, then you are good to go. So you can book a slot online sitting at your home, you can give the exam. Now the important part is how to prepare for that exam. So once you give your payment and get your slot booked, then NISM is going to give you a PDF booklet under your login. So you download that booklet and start preparing for that. So my advice to you is don't look this as only a passing exam. Since for most of you it will be a new industry, I would like you to go into the various nuances of mutual fund industry. The book is going to give you the foundation on which you can build a successful mutual fund business. And I am also going to help you in that. How I am going to help you? I am going to give you a free booklet which is going to give you all the resources required to become a mutual fund distributor. And with that, I'm also going to give you a free simulation exam, which is just like what you are going to get in the real test. You can give it in advance to get a feel of it. So grab that booklet. That link is in the description, and then you can start your own mutual fund distribution journey. So once you have passed the exam, what is the next step? The next step is you need to get your code. In mutual fund, that code which you are going to get from the regulator is called ARN. That is AMFI registered number. Now SEBI is the regulator. SEBI has dictated AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds of India, to give code to all individual and non-individual person who would like to distribute mutual fund product. So once you get your exam pass, then you need to visit website which is called AMFI. So let me show you how the website and where you need to go. So this is the website on which you need to log in. All the resources which I am discussing here with you and the step-by-step procedure, everything is available in that booklet. So download that booklet and get all the resources at one place. Now once you are at website, you can see distributor corner. You click distributor corner and then go here and the down you can see online registration and renewal of UN number. Now see here you can apply for ARN. Now just look at this. What you need to understand is this platform, our online platform, is available for only those who are applying in their individual capacity. So if you are applying as an individual for ARN, that is AMFI registered number, then you don't have to go anywhere. Within 10 minutes, you are going to get your code and you are ready to do the business. So what you need to do, you need to apply for ARN if you have passed the exam. All the details like your bank details, your PAN card, your address proof, and your passing certificate, everything should be with you scanned and your desktop. With your Aadhaar based verification, you will be ready to go to get your ARN number. That's it. You are going to get your ARN number and UN number, and once you get those two numbers, you are ready to do the business. So what the next third step is? Third step is you need to get empanel with all the mutual fund companies or some of the mutual fund companies with whom you want to do your business. So go to their website and there in the distributor corner, most of the mutual fund companies have online process to get empanel with them. If you are taking your ARN on non-individual name, if you want to create your ARN in the name of company or LLP or proprietorship firm, then in all those cases you need to get empanel in an offline manner. And before empanelment, your ARN application should be also physical. So you need to send your application to the camps to get your ARN number. So once you are empaneled, you are good to do your mutual fund business. So this is the three simple steps which you need to follow to get started in the industry, which requires huge number of mutual fund distributors, in a sense that it is at the tipping point from where it is going to explode. Just to give you a perspective, the fixed deposit size in India is more than 140 lakh crores and mutual fund industry is only 33 lakh crore. So there is a huge scope for this industry to grow, and if you are part of an industry, you can make huge difference. So if you like to take your business to a next level, if you want to be a new age mutual fund distributor, if you want to do all your business online from your home and you want to cater to your clients all over India, then I would love you to join our free workshop where I'm going to show you how you can be a new age mutual fund advisor using modern methods and technologies, how you can scale up your business at a faster pace. I have worked for more than 13 years in mutual fund industry. I have worked across the length and breadth of India. I have worked in North, I have worked in South, I have worked in metro location, I have worked in rural locations. So I have been working in this industry for long and got good insights. So if you want to gain from my insights and learn the various new techniques and methods which I have designed as Boost framework, do join me for the workshop. The link is in the description. Don't forget to download the book, which is going to help you in giving you a free resource for how you can chart your own mutual fund distribution business. Thanks for listening. Thanks for going through this video. In case you liked it, just hit the thumbs up button. Do comment in case you want to know any other details regarding mutual fund business. And I am going to help you in growing your mutual fund business to a next level. Thanks for joining. Do subscribe to the channel in case you have not done till now. Thank you.